I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky.
What's going on, good people? This is Terrence Hill with Southern Gentleman's Table TV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to our channel. All right, today we're going to get into one of my favorite Southern desserts. It's a play on banana pudding. I know some people love banana pudding. Some people are not really fans of bananas, so we got a different variation. So today we're going to do something a little different, all right?
I don't want to break this. We're living in the moment. We're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder. We're never getting older.
All right, first things first. So what we're going to do is we're going to layer the container with the Chessman cookies first. If you see, we got the beautiful fresh strawberries and blueberries, and what we're going to do is we're going to layer those on top of that first layer of Chessman cookies, and then we're going to repeat that process. Another layer of Chessman cookies goes on top, and again another layer of strawberries and blueberries. We got the pack of the Jello instant pudding mix. As the recipe says, we got 3 cups of the milk. We're going to add that. If the bowl is super cold, it will make it thicken up really quickly. All right, so we'll go ahead and start mixing that up. After we get that incorporated, we're going to add our cup of sweetened condensed milk. And then one of my key ingredients is the cream cheese, that 8-ounce block of cream cheese. It gives a nice creamy texture, right? And we can't forget the vanilla extract. All right, last but not least, we got our Cool Whip topping, and we will fold that in, kind of get that mixed in. It's okay if you need to leave it out, so it's not rock hard like this one is. It's okay. We'll break it up, and we're going to be good to go. So now we're just mixing all this up good, getting all this incorporated nicely. It's looking good. It's smelling amazing. Look at that come together. This is going to be a beautiful thing. All right, so now we got our custard all done. So now we're going to pour right over those layers. Pour it evenly. Look at that. It's going to be amazing. You see it starting to kind of go down to the bottom. And then what we'll do is we'll get the mixture, make sure it's incorporated all throughout the container. Shake it up a little bit. And last but not least, the very last step, we're going to put our top layer of our Chessman cookies right on the top. And that's it. We're done. So now we're gonna go and we're gonna put that bad boy in the fridge. Probably 4 to 6 hours. You can put it in overnight, makes it even better. And it's gonna be ready to go.
You see that you're leaving me. The same thing you said last night. You can't do it peacefully. You won't go without a fight. So when I go, I know you'll follow me. I don't want slamming doors. No, no, just wait and see. You'll feel it naturally.